All right, some days you got to work on tractors. We've got here I think there's a Cat front loader. Customer complaint is the remote control doesn't work. So if you go to the on switch, and it doesn't work at all. So I think we're gonna I already tested the batteries and they were good. So we're gonna have to just take it apart. All right, this should slide right out. And there we go. This is the wire, the negative side of the battery, and it came disconnected. So we're gonna have to just resolder this. All right, so now we just try it. All right, just a final shot. So we're gonna go like this, and we could drive off the board. All right, thanks for watching.